Hello everyone, this video will show you how to calculate factorial using your scientific calculator. For an example, I want to find out the factorial number of 4. 4 factorial means 4 multiply 3 multiply 2 multiply 1. That means 24 is the factorial number of 4. So how can we calculate this factorial number using scientific calculator? First input the number. Our number is 4. Then press shift button. Now press factorial button. At the last press equal button. Finally we get our answer. This simple way you can calculate any factorial number using scientific calculator. Now we will find another factorial number, such as our number is 5. So first insert our number, then press shift button, then press the factorial button. At the last press equal button. The factorial of 5 number is 120. Hope so it will be work all the version of scientific calculator. So keep learning. Have a nice day.